What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back at you again with another banger. It's pretty much gonna be a raw vlog today. Supreme Saturday, baby. Supreme Saturday, right there. Anyway, oh doggone, my old lights on, boys. That's no good. I'm not worried about it. I know what it is. I'm actually going to get gas right now to bring it right back home to load up and go to Destin, Florida. See, the old light went away. It's back on. It always does that whenever I first hop on it before the oil really gets up to temp. And I hadn't let it warm up super long today before I hopped on. I always let my bike warm up before I get on it for the first time for the day. I let it warm up for like 5-10 minutes, even on the hotter days. I think that dude was wanting me to do a wheelie. Ah, that was awful. That was awful. Hopefully we can do better wheelies than that in Destin. Dang, son. Yeah, I'm going down there with the fam, man. I ain't even going down there for a bike meet or nothing. But I'm going to take it, get some content for y'all. Ride around, have some fun. Maybe even try and meet some people and ride with them. We'll see, we'll see. You know how it is. Just gotta take it and see what happens. Yeah, buddy. Get some of that Shell Premium, you feel me? I don't know if they have 93 down there or not, and I'd like to go on and have some 93 in my bike. From that Shell Premium. I don't even know if they have that many Shell gas stations down there. I know they have like a lot of Tom-Toms. Or whatever they're called. Be right back. Do 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 do. Feel like that elevator music? I told you, I said I got you. But yeah, man, we're headed on the way to Destin. I'm about to literally head out. I'm about to pack up, load the bike up, and hit the road. The rest of the fam's flying. They're gonna fly down there and meet me down there. But you know me, I'd be difficult. Wanted to bring the bike with me, get some content for y'all. I'm not able to bring my PC with me, so therefore, God bless the alarms. But yeah, we're taking the bike down there. Not gonna have a PC like I said, so I won't be able to edit and post videos. But we're gonna get some good content this week. And whenever I return, it should be worth the wait. Hopefully. We shall see. get some good wheelies in for y'all though real quick. Ah, bunch of crap in my throat, man. But yeah, we are headed down to Destin. So if you're gonna be down in Destin, hit me up, baby. Maybe you can hop on a scooter or something if you didn't bring your bike. Rent you a little scooter, or even rent a bike down there, man. Let's get together and ride. That'd be fun. Get to ride with some of y'all. Especially down there in a place like that. That'd be awesome. Yes, sir. But I wanted to come on here and update y'all on that, man, and just let you know what was going on. I appreciate the patience. Told y'all I would have you a Supreme Saturday, and here it is. Alright. I'll alert you all later, man. I'll see you all not this Monday, but next Monday. I'll probably post some reels and stuff for you all and pictures throughout the week on my Instagram as well as on here. I'll post something on here, I'm sure. But you all just be careful and enjoy, man. Have a good week. God bless you.